Be joyful. Life is short. If you only knew how walang kakwenta-kwenta yung mga wino-worry mo, mga bagahe mo, mga hugot mo, that's nothing when you come at the doorsteps of death. Wala, nothing. Your money, what can money do for you? Pag nandun ka na, maybe you'll just get a better hospital bed. Your popularity mo, whatever, who cares who you are? Nandun ka na sa operating table, anong pinagyayabang mo? Yung beauty mo? Excuse me, nakakateter ka na't lahat, ano pang beauty dyan? So my dear friends, I remember before the operation, all I asked my doctor was, "Doc, please let me hold my rosary." And the doctor said, "Father Jerry, I'll make sure that you have your rosary." When I woke up, I was holding my rosary, CIC. Be joyful, please. Huwag mong sayangin ang buhay mo sa walang kakwenta-kwentang mga paulit-ulit, no? Life is short.